Edge computing refers to the paradigm where the processing of the data happens near the source. So instead of sending the data at a central place, here the processing happened at the place where data is getting generated, and maybe the actionable insights and only important things are sent back at the central place. By doing processing at the place at which is generating the data, you are able to get low latency, more reliability, as well as the security of the data. And that is what is the edge computing is. The point to remember is that edge computing is not a technology, but it's a architecture, a distributed topology, we can say it, where the processing is happening on the edge or at the place which is generating the data. So if you wanted to read more about it, you can go to my website www.raktinsingh.com. Thank you.